In this tutorial, I will show you that how can fix two-finger scroll not working on Windows 10. So let's dive right in. So there are some of steps that you can follow. For the step 1, from your desktop, click on this search and search for settings. Open it. From these settings, you can open devices and it will show here you all of your devices. You can open touchpad from here. So if you find here the two-finger scroll option, then enable it from here. Otherwise, go to additional settings from right top side. It will open up like this. From here, you can open this. Click to change Dell touchpad settings. You can open gestures. And if it's off, you can simply turn it on. Click Save to save its settings and close it. If the problem is still there, then restart Windows Explorer. From your desktop, click on this search and search for Task Manager and open it. Here if you scroll it down, it will show you Windows Explorer. Right click on that and simply restart it from here. After starting it, this problem will be fixed. If you are still facing this, click on this search and search for Device Manager. Open it and here you'll find this mice and other printing devices. And here you can see that it's showing touchpad option. You can select your touchpad. In my PC, it's easy to identify touchpad, but if in your PC more than one SD compliant mouse are showing, then select any of those and check the location. If the location is on input USB device, then it's your attached mouse, not the touchpad. If the location is 12C HID device, then you have to select your touchpad and go to drivers. Then you have to roll back it. If rollback is not available, then simply update that driver and then search for automatically. Now the fourth and last step, simply right click on that and here it will give you this uninstall driver. Simply uninstall it and then install it again. So these were the fixes to fix two-finger scroll not working on Windows 10 in just few easy steps.